There is something I don't want to agree. Because, I mean, you don't know what you are until you decide to do it. Pallaso for so long, he has delivered musically. But people, no, kuva wayaja. Let me tell you, I can give you from Amaso. Yes.
Pallaso could get more.
No, neche afunye chiri okay. Chen contradicting ane bure, nti yakoze wrong move. Pallaso akubye endongo nga people don't appreciate him fully. Katono nyolina ko katono. Until wazo nagamba no. Actually it's a mindset that people have stoned awo. There are people who are deliberately trying to let Pallaso not be appreciated. Era ne kireetera n'endowooza abantu okulowooza nti Pallaso is not appreciated. So bw'ojja n'okola n'eno bold move. Kuba Pallaso story akulaga abantu basonze 2,000 13. So ekitegeeza abamuwadde million 7 bangi. So kitegeeza
let me make my comment.
I love Pallaso. But Pallaso for the years he came back to Uganda. Ngavudde mu bwaliza deze mu bwa Pallaso. Ukitegeera kubanga he was a pious lizard, then he came to Pallaso. Pallaso yatandika okulwanagana with his personality. I like Pallaso. I'm telling you, bobalaba musician yabali talented mu Uganda batano notateka mu Pallaso, then you a criminal.
So he deserves to do this.
But let me tell you,
let
me tell you, nti Pallaso alwanye nnyo n'ebizibu off stage. Nze let me tell you, I'm giving you scenario. Let me give you a scenario. Tuba ku kyalenga. A very peaceful show. Tewali alwanye. Only one man in Pallaso to start boxing a fellow musician. That's on record. Waliwo wamu wenkolera. I will not mention
That's ngamba bule. People reconcile.
Let me do my comment.
Katono nyolira ko tuwule touch.
Bule.
Tuwele discipline, listening discipline.
Fenaka twogere nzo okusinzira ku bule kyayogedde sagala kugenda nnyo wala. Nti abayimbi baffe sometimes omuntu kyakusuubiramu si kyomuwa. But these boys and girls, these women we have in Uganda, bataddemu kyamaanyi nnyo. You find a woman like Spice Dana nti ateka muno oluuso ba either our policies we have in Uganda zezitaba kola ki, zezitaba favoring at a little bit. Okwawukanako ne bule nze sisuubira nti omuyimbi Pallaso okulwanira ku show oba okukola ekintu ekirala kyo abayimbi bonna balwana worldwide. Like the musicians, abayimbi bonna balina.
Let me hear
submission.
Okay, can put submission
because Pallaso is my friend. I think Bule is somehow right. Pallaso yaddayo ku drawing board. Na strategizing a life, na choose some management, because you know he had managerial issues. He was managed after he left GFQ. I think he was managing himself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then after that, nafuna Kama Ivan, and you've seen that Kama Ivan's reign has been good because Kama is a good manager. And also Pallaso yateresa life here. Pallaso katocha enza musanga mintu byako.
So in other words, this move was right. Amanye how much am I
impacting? He just rebranded from the other Pallaso. You know who comes in. Pallaso katoenza no mulinyako na atakuba chikonde. Like he has changed so much.
So kino kimutekawa this move emwongedde ddala ina stature mwe mutadde.
No, it is two ways China we chimutadde nti Pallaso ina ekintu ke yakoze. I think Pallaso yasoso kugabana sente, isn't it?
Yasoso zigaba.
Bokwata sente zino nozizza mu bantu oba ofuse Bruno. Omaye Bruno ayina bwafera abantu. Bwabafera nti Bruno ajja n'akola ekintu. N'afuna obusente n'abwa abantu. Ezimu azijja na mu nsawo ye. That's a good move. What he's doing Bruno right now, building a social capital. Right now nebo gamba singa I'm telling you, I'm not doing PR. Ono yandraising sente singe za Pallaso.
Bruno, can you go for this challenge?
Yes.
I can.
And
yes,
I can go for it, but it has to be okay. Abantu banyambe katika nga kubali abana. People contributed money for those kids, Bambi. They did.
And this time Pallaso teyatadde mu charity yagambye emmotoka ng'akimanyi. Let me ask for an ostentational commodity. Oli ndaba inaro. Kubanga abantu bali mu bizibu omuntu akuwa sente ng'oli mu masapu.
Fena Jackson nga tuzeewo kyokuba nti tujja abantu abasinga nkimanyi bajja kinze Pallaso okusinziira ku sente zino. Lwaki? Personally expected a musician could get actually more. Naye okusinziira ku kyeyafunye nekyeyafunye ng'omuntu kitulaga ki nti Pallaso si muyimbi mubi, but us Ugandans naffe to failings our part to support our celebrities. Ochegera, you tell me you love Pallaso music, you tell me you love what he's doing. Nene wajja ne yes.
Because you saw on YouTube kuba nyimba za ziri mu milioni 10 eza views, but you cannot really pay him.
It's not
Fune mbozi ya
as a musician.
Eya Gondi.
It's not my obligation to take you to hospital, okay?
This was a day. Pallaso didn't really ask for money because he cannot have that money. He was daring the fans.
Ebyazo okukontinga Pallaso byabadde bikadde abana weda bajeyo screenshot ze bawemulanga ku Twitter nga bazikubaawo bamusa mulungi nti fena tukkiriza Pallaso rebranded
and it's better.
And it's better. Nasabye nnyo ekintu kino kireme kuggwera.
Tulabe
Bruno yataddeyo ndino
Katu-
centers muwadde nengamba
waliwo emboozi